Welcome back to Valerie's Home and Gardens. Thank you so much for your support on the channel. I appreciate you. Now, I am sitting on my bed because I want us to talk about bed linens, right? How do you decide on what bed linens to buy? Now, I would suggest that one of the most important thing for durability for your bed linens is your thread count. What does thread count mean? It means how many yarns are in a square inch, for example, in that piece of fabric. The more dense, the closer the yarns are, is the higher the thread count is going to be, is the more durable your bed linens will be, and they will also be more sumptuous, right? Depends on the fiber of your fabric. Another thing I will suggest to you when you're buying your bed linens is to buy bed linens that coordinate, because what happens is you are able to mix and match your bed linens from room to room. And moreover, you know how your fitted sheets, where in the middle of the sheet, the middle always goes before the rest of the sheet. So what happens to the flat sheet that's left from that set? More often than not, you will be left with lots of flat sheets that have no fitted sheets to go with them. Use the flat sheet and convert it into a fitted sheet, my friends. Now, I have a video on the channel that shows you exactly how to make your fitted sheet. And so that is why I say buy the bed linens that coordinate, so they can coordinate. It doesn't have to match, right? You just need coordination, whether it's through your texture, your patterns, your colors. Make sure that they can work together. Now, the fitted sheet wears in the middle, generally speaking, but along the edges are usually quite fine. So guess what? You can take those edges and make them into pillows. Whether you're making a sleeping pillow or a decorative pillow, I have lots of videos that show you how to cut your pillows, the easiest way to cut your pillows. And I don't quite have one yet that shows you exactly how to make like just a regular standard sleeping pillow, but that's coming soon. What else do I want to tell you about bed linens? Yeah, check your thrift stores, because your thrift stores sometimes get hooked up with big box stores that are either changing out some products that they no longer carry, they have discontinued them, or they sometimes also get stuff from hotels, and so they do have some good bed linens in some thrift stores too. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you so much again for your support on the channel. Please like, leave your comments below, share, and if you have not yet subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscription button, and remember to hit the bell notification icon so you can be notified of new videos. I'll see you in the next video.